Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video we will discuss about 7 lean principles. What are those 7 principles of lean? We will understand it using a simple acronym which I am terming as methods. So let us start. So 7 lean principles. So what are those 7 principles? So first one is eliminating waste, build quality in. Third one is creating knowledge, defer commitment, delivering fast, respecting people, and the last one is optimizing the whole. So let us understand each one of these in brief detail. So the first lean principle is eliminating waste. That simply means discarding or eliminating things which do not add value. So if we talk about a software project, some of the waste could be, defects which are resulting from a poor quality. If there is a waiting time, there are members who are waiting for their code gets reviewed. So that waiting time is also a waste. If the team is leaving a lot of work as partially completed, that is also a waste. If the team is engaged in doing any documentation which is not that much required, that is also a waste. If the team gets involved in a meeting where whole team is not required to attend, that is also a waste. So we can identify from our own project's perspective, from our own process that we are using in our respective projects, what are those activities, what are those steps in our process, our development activities which are not resulting into a value addition. So lean is suggesting that those things can be discarded to optimize or to generate a better value. Second principle is build quality in. That simply means we need to plan for the quality from the very beginning. It should not like we have developed something, then we are asking our QA team to respond and do the quality checks. So if we are engaged in agile based project, so our every release, every iteration should result into a quality which is expected by the customer. For that to happen, we need to plan for the quality. We need to see, okay, for any particular project need, can we identify a set of automation tool, how the testing is going to happen, what are the quality assurance practices that needs to be used by the implementation team. So that's what the second principle of lean is suggesting. Third one is creating knowledge. That simply means there is an emphasis or there is a culture within the team of sharing knowledge, creating a knowledge base, so that whenever new person joins in, he has a right set of material to go through to understand. And if there is a process or if there is any tool which is used, which is critical enough, that has been well documented by the team, so that there is a reference point for the team to understand, and it helps from an organization perspective as well to have that knowledge base or that knowledge sharing culture within the teams. Fourth one is defer commitment. That simply means suspending or deferring the commitment or critical decisions, deciding on them as late as possible. And the reason being is sometimes what happens is, for those critical decisions we need right evidences, we need the right set of data. If that evidence and the right set of data is not available and we are going for that critical decision, we will not be able to change it. So what lean is suggesting is try to avoid all such decisions, all such critical decisions, I would say, so that as and when we have to take the decisions, we take that decision based on the data which is available. Fifth principle is delivering fast. The emphasis is because if we deliver in a faster way, if we deliver in an iterative way, we have a chance to get a feedback from the customer. We can understand what the customer's expectations are, whether we are on track to meet those expectations. Are there any changes which is suggested by the customer, which development team has to take care of, which our product team has to take care of in terms of implementing any new features, any features where customer is requesting for the change. So that helps the customer as well as the development team to build the confidence that they are on the right track in terms of satisfying the product requirements as well as customers' own satisfaction. Sixth one is respect. So that simply means there is an environment of trust, collaboration, and mutual respect within the teams, with other teams, as well as within the organization, and that respect is conveyed to the customer as well in our dealing with the customer. So that helps in building the right set of environment, building the right set of motivation for everyone involved. Last one is optimizing the whole. That simply means if you're talking about any particular value stream, so we are not just looking at one particular step or a process in that value stream to optimize it or to change it further. We are considering and we are taking into consideration the whole sequence, whole value stream, whole steps, whole particular system when we are talking about making any changes or optimizing it. Now let us talk about, can we, describe these 7 lean principles which we have just discussed using the acronym. So I have termed it as methods acronym, where M stands for make or create knowledge, E for eliminating waste, T for timely build quality in, H for honor or respectful environment, O for optimizing the whole, D for delivering fast, S for suspend or defer commitment. So this methods acronym can be used to remember the 7 lean principles. So thanks everyone. Thank you for watching this brief video. I hope you liked it. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.